Hello beauties, how are you? Well, today we are going to be talking about my morning routine and my evening routine. And we are going to be really diving deep into a skincare line called Agency. Now, I was always interested in Curology, and at first, I was looking into Curology, and then when I heard about Agency, which is the sister company to Curology, it really piqued my interest because it's specifically a customized formula for women 35, 40 plus. And so that's always music to my ears because, again, as you age, your skincare needs change. So today we're going to be talking about how my formula was customized. It's really amazing because you get these emails, you send them photos, and they write back to you. They're very easy to communicate with. And so mine was all about my dark spots, my age spots, my sunspots, a little bit of hyperpigmentation, and then I also have some fine lines and wrinkles. So this has been my first foray into like hydroquinone and tretinoin, and I didn't really know that much about them, but I really dove deep and learned so much about this formulation and then how it really effectively works on my skin. Agency for me has been such a game changer. I love the fact that you can have a personalized and customized formula that you get every month or every other month, depending on when you need it. You can write to them and tell them how you are doing. For me, it was amazing because I could say, this is irritating my skin, or it's not irritating my skin. Whatever your skincare needs are with your skincare journey, they will answer all your questions and really work with you to customize this formula. Also, what I like about Agency is that they give you these little pamphlets that really explain everything and your morning routine and your evening routine. For example, this says, welcome to skincare. This is when I first signed up. It says, a skincare that sees you, hears you, and evolves with you. And then after I've been using it for a while, I got my second packet. It said, join for the skincare, stay for the support. And what I think that's fabulous about them, they are so supportive. So any questions, any concerns, they're right there supporting you, answering your questions. They get back to you immediately. And I think that's a great thing because when you're trying out a new skincare formula, you really have questions, especially if there's any dryness, irritation. You want to be able to reach out to your provider immediately and address your concerns. So I sent them my photos. You can see the photos here that I sent them. They got back to me right away. I do have this really amazing customized formula. So the steps are quite easy. It starts with simply a cleanser. So I use the cleanser in the morning and in the evening. Then there's a whipped moisturizer. This is really luxe. I love their whipped moisturizer. And then for me, with my particular customized formula, this is this dark spot formula because my needs were dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and then of course age spots and little fine lines and wrinkles. So the dark spot formula has a hydroquinone, and again, this has been so effective for me. You can really see the difference in my skin where it's evening out my skin tone and really making the age spots fade. So my customized formula really is the dark spot formula. That was what my needs were. I did have a lot of sun damage from really enjoying my time in the sun. The dark spot formula has hydroquinone, and I do feel that this has been really effective for me. So I've only been using this for about 2 months, but I'm really excited on how my skincare journey is going to look after 6 months. So I will be updating a video in a few months from now. Now the nighttime formula, which again we'll get into and I'll go through all the steps. This is the future formula. Now Agency again has tretinoin that they use in their future formula. I really feel that this has been wonderful for me in the evening before I go to sleep. I put this on and it's been really effective. And again, reducing those fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, age spots, and dark spots. Dark spot formula, you have to use twice a day. That was my customized formula. So I do use it in the morning before I go to work. So you really want to use a really great SPF when you're using the dark spot formula. So I always make sure after I put this on in the morning, before I put my makeup on, I put my SPF on. I usually use a tinted moisturizer SPF, up to you, but it's very important. I use about a 30. So make sure that is really important when you are using tretinoin or hydroquinone, that you use an SPF. So my AM routine is going to be a little bit different than my PM routine, but let's get to this video and I can't wait to show you how agency works. Okay, so here's my morning AM routine. I try to keep it very simple, so let's get to it. The first thing that agency sent to me was this cream oil cleanser, really luxe. I use this every single day. I use it in the morning, I use it in the evening. You can also use it while you're in the shower. I find it really effective. It takes off everything, all your makeup, super, super luxe. So the second thing I use is a toner. This is by Peaches. I find a toner to be really, really effective in balancing your pH. So once I have my toner on, then I sometimes use a vitamin C serum. This is also by Peaches. It's a great, wonderful vitamin C serum. I find that vitamin C serums are really effective. It's almost like fruit acid. So it's a little bit of a peel, an exfoliation. So then you're going to use the Weightless Whipped Moisturizer. It's divine. It's really creamy and luxurious. So I just use this on my skin after my serums. So then this is the dark spot formula. I found this super effective. You have to use this twice a day. Now, what I was saying before, I have sunspots, dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles. This was customized for me. You could see my before and after shots. I've been using this about a month and a half, so I'm really excited about seeing results in, say, 6 months. So again, I use this in the morning. This is twice a day. I'm going to put this on. I use this sort of sparingly because you just want to use it around the areas that you are concerned about. If your skin reacts, you can talk to your dermatologist about it, and if you send them an email, they respond immediately. It's really, really great personalized skincare. You can also use this later in the day. They do recommend you using this twice a day, which I do. I usually use it around 2-3 o'clock or sometimes after lunch. So that's it. That's my morning routine, and then I put on my makeup and I am ready to get to work. So last but not least, do not forget to use a good sunscreen. It's super, super important to protect that gorgeous face of yours. So again, there's so many out there. One with a tinted moisturizer really is effective. It kind of evens out the skin tone. So make sure you find a good one. Okay, beauty, so I just washed off all my makeup and I'm getting ready for bed. So my face is now squeaky clean. I'm in the raw. So, okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to start with the moisturizer. Again, this has been customized for me, and this has been really a game changer for me because it is so hydrating and creamy, and it takes off all the makeup. As you can see, all my makeup is off. So I use a serum. After I wash my face, I use a serum. This is a great anti-aging serum. This is by Peaches. Again, there's amazing serums out there, but I love this. So I put this on. I then use the whipped moisturizer. a little bit goes a long way. Again, this is so creamy and so delicious. It's so luxe. Then I use the Future formula. This is only to be used at night. This is customized for me, so a little bit goes a long way. Even put it on my hands. So that was my evening routine. I hope you liked that. Again, agency has really been a game changer for me. I really find that I'm noticing a big difference in my skin. It is looking much more hydrated. It looks more even. I find that I am lessening the brown spots, the H spots, the fine lines and wrinkles. You can see my skin from the before and after is really a dramatic difference. So I'm ready to hit my pillow. Remember, buy a pillowcase made of silk or bamboo. It'll help your skincare stay on longer and help it with its efficacy. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I always love making these videos because I feel like I have such a wonderful, supportive community. So thank you so much. Thank you to agency. I really loved partnering with you on this because I feel like you've been so supportive and helping me with my own personal skincare needs. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button. All the links will be in the description below, so make sure you read the description below and you can see your code, you can see the links to get to agency. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.